super hot, which is perfect. Hola! She is smoking! Good afternoon, you lovelies. Welcome to a special edition Monkey London video. We've got the Evo 8 RS Canea. We've got the beautiful Pyrenees Mountains in Spain. Send it. John was on it. John's only done those roads once. Intake temps are pretty high, so the car's a little bit boggy. Those sticky Zecnovas picking up all the gravel. Definitely tell they've been getting hot, but to be fair to the Zecnovas, John's been pushing them continuously this entire road trip. He's done 1,000 miles on them as well, so like longevity's been really good, and they're still performing absolutely pucker. Brakes as well, absolutely mad. Even when you're getting really hot, you keep stamping on them and they keep giving. So yeah, big up the endless brakes. Really impressed with them. Pretty sick as well when you're driving the Evo around Spain and a lot of these European countries, because Evos are super rare, especially modified ones like this. You get really sort of positive reactions. A lot of people doing thumbs up and a lot of people waving and stuff. So yeah, big up the old Spaniards. Really loving the Evo action. They are super hot, which is perfect. And that's basically what I've got left on the tread after probably 1,400 miles. Obviously not all John action, about 1,000 miles of that, or maybe 1,200 miles of that was kind of cruising. And that gives you an idea what the tyres are looking like. RS Canea, baby. Little look at the back as well. Yeah, they've got a little bit more tread. Obviously we're using the fronts a little bit more, turning in and stuff. Brakes still look good. A few heat spots, lots of pads left as well on the back. On the front, a few more heat spots, a few little cracks as well if you look there. A couple of little cracks forming, but brakes are still nice and strong. And then pads, yeah, pads have about 70%, 60% life left. Evo looking really sick, especially with them mirror tints. Check me out, sick. Fantastic scenery as well here in the Pyrenees. I mean, everywhere you go is literally a postcard I'll probably come and do a swim in this lake a little bit later in the week. Very sort of Grand Canyon-esque with a little bit of green thrown in for good measure. Hola! Hola! Local lady's looking fine. Evo's still looking mint. I did put a little bit of tape over the bride's seat because it was starting to get a little bit worny. But yeah, apart from that, interior's lovely and clean. Don't think I've really shown you guys under the engine bay that much either. That's your hard piping for your HKS intercooler, which is down there. There's a Greddy oil cooler. It's also got holes, they cut sort of, or drilled holes in the arch liner as well to kind of allow the air to flow through it. Like I've mentioned a few times, the car's track inspired. It's got lots of cool little trick bits. Blitz filter, HKS turbo down there. Still got a stock manifold and a sort of shiny heat shield just to kind of make it look a little bit more pretty. The original heat shields on these do tend to get a bit rusty, as do the manifolds, and they look a little bit unsightly, so that's a nice little trick piece. Cusco front strut brace. Engine wise, like you've probably heard, she's got cams, forged pistons, forged rods. It's had a full rebuild, all new bearings. Car runs pretty sweet. Other thing I need to do on this is sort the headlight because it's got a yeah, the seal's broken, so it's getting like water ingress and stuff. I'm going to take that apart when I get to Menorca and try and do a bit of a repair-oo. Overall though, car looking fabulous and driving mint, can't complain. HJA absolute winners. Mountain fresh. Very hot, still surviving though, endless for the win. You could literally cook your barbecue on that. Peace and quiet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that cheeky little Evo installment. Time for some food. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.